Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just because yesterday was National Handcuff Day doesn't mean that I'm slacking on Shacklemen Saturday. Quite the opposite, in fact. I'm getting ready to start a personal challenge. I'm calling the 4-3-2-1 challenge, which I guess I need to find my pick for that. Where I want to escape from 4 pairs of handcuffs in 3 minutes, double locked, with one tool. Now, 4 different pairs of handcuffs, because picking out the same pair in 4 different colors isn't that impressive with one tool. But 4 different pairs, then you got to be a little more thoughtful about it. I'm starting off bad by putting the keyholes facing me. I am starting, this is the first one. This is just to get my feet wet. But I will start the timer. I don't even have my timer here. I will get my timer and I will start my timer when all the handcuffs are on and double locked for the first one. But ultimately, and maybe this is crazy, but I want to be able to, in 3 minutes, apply, double lock, and escape all 4 pairs. Let's see how that goes. Here we go. Double locked. 3 minutes. Wish me luck. There we go. Gosh darn. Finally. Come on, man, don't get stuck. There we go. At least I got the... Oh, come on, you. I don't even know how much time I got. I know I'm not doing well. That's 1 pair off. Damn. Well, that's a fail. But you get the idea. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.